Every single year, millions of people around the globe are forced to make a choice that no one should ever have to. Do I pay the rent or do I get the treatment done? In United States, 1 in 4 American people are skipping medical care. Why? Because they simply cannot afford it. In UK, NHS waiting lists have crossed 7.5 million people. Across Middle East and Africa, specialist surgical care is out of reach of majority of people. So we can simply say that world is in a healthcare crisis. Most governments don't have an answer, but one country does. India, a country with 7 lakh trained doctors, home to JCI and NABH accredited hospitals with international standards. A country where you can get the same heart surgery, same robotic surgery, and same cancer treatment just at the fraction of the cost you are getting somewhere else. This is not a compromise. This is not a shortcut. This is the smartest healthcare decision you can ever make. Let's talk about the real numbers. A heart bypass surgery can cost around $100,000 in US, while in India you can get it done for $5,000 only. And if we talk about the knee replacement surgery in UK, it is around 25,000 pounds, while in India you can get it done at 2,500 pounds. Cancer treatment in Western countries can consume up to hundreds of thousands of dollars, while in India, world-class oncology care is available at 10 to 15% of that cost. IVF treatment around $25,000 in US, while in India it can be done under $2,000. Same outcome, same technology, same quality. Every year, around 2 million international patients travel to India for the treatment, and this number is actually growing at a rate of 21% annually. This is not a secret anymore. People from 78 countries have already figured this out. From Nigeria and Kenya, people are booking their flights and getting their cardiac surgeries done at Chennai and Hyderabad in world-class facilities. And if we talk about Saudi Arabia, Oman, people are booking their flights to get their complex spine surgeries done at Delhi and Mumbai with world-class facilities. From United States and Canada, people frustrated by their insurance denial are booking their flights to India to get treated better, faster and cheap. Even from UK, people are getting their treatment done in India by the time they are not even out of the NHS waiting list. The 46 to 65 age group, people who are dealing with cancer, joint replacements, heart disease, people who actually need the treatment now and not later. So what makes India different? First, the doctors. These doctors are not just doctors. These are world-class specialists trained from world-class institutions like Harvard, Johns Hopkins, Mayo Clinic, and Oxford. Second, the technology. India's leading hospitals like Max, Medanta, Apollo, Fortis are equipped with advanced technologies like AI-enabled systems, robotic system surgeries, and in advanced cancer therapies like CAR T cell therapy. Third, accreditation. Hospitals like Apollo Chennai and Fortis Gurgaon are JCI accredited, which is a gold standard for international hospital quality. Fourth, the speed. No waiting list, no insurance battles, no 6-month delays. You contact the hospital, you get an appointment, and you get treated. And the Indian government is making it even more simpler. India has announced 5 medical tourism hubs, which is helping patients from worldwide with seamless end-to-end care. Companies like Vedam Health, Cancer Rounds, and MediJourney are providing people with medical solutions where they can compare hospitals, contact doctors, book appointments, and plan their entire journey ahead. The e-medical visa is available for citizens from 167 countries with fast-track processing specifically for medical travelers. India is not just open for medical tourism. India is building the world's best medical tourism. If you are watching this from United States, UK, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, Oman, or anywhere else in the world, you may contact Vedam Health for your medical needs and plan your entire medical journey ahead. Look up for JCI accredited hospitals, reach out to Vedam Health. You will be surprised, not just by the cost, by the quality, by the speed, by the care.